Focus SB's long-standing ability to create desirable premium accessories blends traditional artisan crafts with cutting-edge technology. Our project management team is with you every step of the way. It all begins with customers detailing their unique requirements for finish and final function. This is translated to the manufacturing process by way of drawings, machining and samples. Our expertise and range of services ensure we satisfy the customer's desires, whilst considering dimensional constraints and conforming to the latest electrical standards. Our advanced manufacturing capabilities, combined with our bespoke options, enable us to take your design to the next level. Working with some of the industry's leading home automation and fire and security specialists, we can offer a continuity of finish throughout your project by matching their controls with our accessories. Our project management team works closely with your installation specialists to ensure all products are produced and finished in line with your critical installation program. The final stage of the journey sees the product carefully assembled, tested and finally inspected before they are packaged and clearly labelled, then dispatched to the customer for next day delivery.